Okay, hello. So this is the first video showing a brief overview of data handling in Excel. It's about the class Quantitative Research Methods, and we worked with the visitors survey. It's about a visitor survey in a museum, and we talked about the questions, we talked about the questionnaire. So you should have the questionnaire in front of you, seeing the different questions and the different variables. So this is the first thing when we look at this Excel view of that file that you find on our web page, that you have the information, number one here, Q, question one, inducement, question two, which is about how long are you going to stay in Bremen, Q3, reasons for the visit, and so on. So these are the questions. And in the second row, you find the V numbers. V like variable. So for question one, V1 answers the question. We could say whether the people checked, I came because of an advertisement, V2 because of reports, V3 because of personal recommendation, and so on. So these are parts that refer to the questionnaire. As of Excel, talking of Excel, as we did in class, the information that we get here is in columns and in rows. So if we go to this column number 6, we see this is a person, and this is all the information about this person. The interview was on 13th of October 2007. It was a Saturday. The weather was sunny and a bit chilly, and so on. This person checked, I came because of advertisements, I came because of reports, and there were no other inducements, no other reasons as about question one. When we scroll to the right side, we find the answers to the questions about the person. So we see that this person in row number 6, answer number 4, that this person is 57 years old. So the person belongs into the age groups 50 to 59, or when there is another age group. And the gender is 1, and 1 stands for female. What you can see here is that this information basically is available. There is the information about the postcode, the zip code, so we do know quite things about this. That was the row. The row, and the row stands for one person. Whereas the column, this is what I just hit, stands for one variable. This is the variable gender, and so the 0 is for male and the 1 is for female. This has been recoded here in this column. The columns are labeled with letters, DJ. This is the column DJ. This is the column CX or whatever for variable 82, which is the general evaluation of the exhibition itself. The rows themselves are labeled with numbers. This is row number 7. Row number 7 contains observation number 5. And again, observation number 5, 68-year-old man coming from the postcode 22397 and so on. So this is the basic information we get in Excel in order to be able to deal with these data. To operate in Excel, the keystrokes you should know or that are helpful besides using the mouse. And you see that I can use this this tool down here in order to move and to come to the first cell. First cell, cell A1. You find the information about the cell up here. There it would be cell H10 because it's in row H and in column H and in row 10, and so on. When you want to move quicker, You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. So when I go to the right, when I go to the left, when I go up, when I go down. This is a way of moving, a quicker move when I want to come to one margin. For example, I want to come to the top. I use the control key. So I go control up, brings me there, and control down brings me, in this case, to row 161. Or if I go into this variable where there are always answers, then no, also there are not always answers. Let's say the number. So if I go control arrow down, I come to this last observation, which is 2087. Moving upwards, I can use the page up, page down. This is what I'm currently doing. Going to the right, I can use Alt, page up, page down. Alt, page up brings me one screen to the right. So if I do this, then I don't have to use the mouse or whatever to move. When I want to come back to the top position, I use Control Home, and I'm again sort of back up here, B3. This is where the data starts because these two rows in the one column is freezed. So this is where we are going to start. Okay, this was video number 1. I stop here in order to be able to talk about basic data handling in the next one.